This is a quick video on how to replace the high beam headlight in a 2002 to 2003 Lexus ES300. This is the inner bulb in this view. Pop the hood and locate the back of the bulb. It's right here, this clean black circular fan looking thing. This is the view after I already changed the bulb with a much brighter LED bulb. This is likely the view you'll be facing. This is an older style halogen bulb, not as bright and easier to break. So the way you remove this is to grasp the plastic housing and rotate it counterclockwise about 45 degrees. Then pull it straight out. As you can see, my bulb was completely shattered. Alright, to remove the old bulb, press the plastic tab with your finger and pull it out of the electrical socket. If it's too tight, shove a little screwdriver in there to wedge the plastic tab up. Next, grab your new bulb. I recommend upgrading to LED bulbs if you haven't already. They're a lot brighter, less fragile, and last a lot longer too. I'll try to put a link to this one below the video. It's a model 9005 for the bright bulb. Don't touch the element. There are 3 tabs on the bulb housing. The short tab will end up pointing straight up. Slide it into the grooves and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. LEDs use a little fan to dissipate the heat, that's why that's on there. If you're worried about it flopping around, zip tie it to something. And that's all I got. I hope this was helpful.